How to download all emails in Gmail. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Gmail. There will not be option for download, so open Google, click on your profile at the top right. Click on Manage your Google account. After you've clicked on Manage your Google account, it will lead you to this page. Here on the left side, click on Data and Privacy. After you select Data and Privacy, here, scroll down in Data and Privacy. Then you'll find Download your data. Click on it. After you've selected Download your data, scroll down in here and search for Mail. Select the Mail option. Then scroll down at the bottom. Click on Next Step. After you've clicked on Next Step in here, it will lead you to this page. Transfer to, select your destination, Dropbox, OneDrive, Box, or via email. Then export once or export every 2 months. Select the file type and press on Create Export. And after you've clicked on Create Export, it will mail you after it's done. And you can go through your mail. You'll find downloadable link. Click on it and you'll find all your mails. This is how to download all emails in Gmail. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.